Hi, welcome. So in this video, we will discuss about like what is Meta Business Suite in the Facebook. So to access the Meta Business Suite in the Facebook, what you have to do, you have to click on the Meta Business Suite, click on the Google and search for the Meta Business. Just a minute. Short. When you click on the Meta Business Suite, so you will see the result here. Just you have to click on the URL. When you will click on the go to the Meta Business Suite, so the Meta Business Suite will look like this. So what you can do in the Meta Business Suite, if you will see here, you will see the multiple option like home, notification, inbox, content, planner, ads, insight, all tools. So the Meta Business Suite is a tool where you can manage your complete Facebook, complete Instagrams. Like you can DM your reply, mention the comments, replying the comments, of messaging the person that you have message on the Instagram or Facebook, and from here you can schedule the content from the further dates, like for the month October, for the further dates you can schedule the content from here. You can check the content for performance, like how the content is performing from your hand. Whatever the content you uploaded, like in terms of the story, post, reels, all the content you will see here, and you can measure the performance from here. In the Insight tool, you can see how much people are interacting with your page, how much people are interacting with your post, your reels, and all under the all tools. There are multiple tools here. It can be related to WhatsApp API, billing, payments, business app, multiple things you can do with the Meta Business Suite. So Meta Business Suite is a tool from where you can manage multiple things. You can manage complete Facebook business. Okay, you can run ads, you can check the inbox, you can check the reports, you can check the performance of the ads, everything you can do here. Okay, so in the further video we will discuss about all the steps when you will go home. So the first basic something is there. Here you can see that to-do list is there, marketing content is there, recent ads, and some option is there, grow your audience, create order, what's new, like whatever the updates comes from the Meta Business Suite, all the things that can be seen here. Okay, under the notification, all the notification about your business, it can be on Instagram ad or Facebook's, all will be reflected here. Whatever the message comments are coming from the Instagram messenger, like from the messenger, what all the message comes, it will be reflected here. What all the message come from Instagram will be reflected here. Facebook comments and Instagram comments, you can select the dates and all the things. Content will be there. In that, whatever the content you have published in the past, all the content will be reflected here. And in the planners, you can schedule the content for the future date, for the further date from here. This is the ads. From that you can run ad for your Instagram, your Facebook page, and from here you can measure your performance, like how much people are interacting, what are the behavior of the people, how the people are interacting with us, location of the people, everything you can measure from here. And after that, all tools is there. There are some tools that you can use to for growing your business. It can be WhatsApp Business API, it can be page setting, business payment setting, lead center, live dashboard, page post, everything you can check here. So mostly in the Facebook Meta Business Suite, we will work on these 5 things. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. We will help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.